Dear students, I hope everyone is doing well. I am your course trainer Bobby Bora, and today we'll learn about public area and laundry services from your core module. And today's topic is laundry and its functions. Now, let's go through the lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the functions of the laundry department, describe different types of laundry, explain advantages and disadvantages of different types of laundry. Now, let's talk about laundry. Laundry is a subdivision of housekeeping department. It is responsible for washing tons of soiled linen and uniforms that are generated daily. Laundry is responsible to provide linen and uniform to the entire organization. In short, we can say a laundry can be described as a place where washing and finishing of clothes and other washable works are done. Main functions of laundry are remove stain and odor from the linen, to increase the lifespan of the linen, to increase reuse value of the linen, to prevent the growth of microorganisms, to improve the appearance of linen and make it presentable, to wash and clean the clothes for hygiene purpose. Other than that, the laundry supplies housekeeping with clean linen and uniform on a daily basis. It also processes guest laundry, ensuring guest satisfaction. Now, let's talk about different types of laundry. So basically there are two types of laundry. One, on-premise or in-house laundry, and second, commercial or off-premise laundry. Let's talk about the different types of laundry in detail. First is in-house laundry. These are also known as on-site laundry or in-house laundry. It is the hotel's own laundry situated on its premises. It may be run by the management or managed on a contract. Services are faster, hence the stocks are reduced. There is a better control, better supervisor, and hence a long life for linen. Now, let's talk about commercial laundry. These are also known as off-site laundry or contracted laundries. These cater to hotel on a contract basis. Usually, the soiled linen are laundered and delivered back to the hotel within 24 to 48 hours. In the previous slide, we learned about different types of laundry. Each laundry has its own advantages and disadvantages. Here, we'll learn about advantages of on-premises laundry. Some of the advantages to the hotel are time taken for laundry is reduced as transportation is eliminated. Control over the wash process and method of washing to reduce wear and tear of linen. Use of laundry agents, amount and type can be controlled. Revenue is earned from the guest by washing guest laundry. Par stock requirement is reduced. Now, what is par stock? Par stock is basically the minimum amount of uniform and linen required to run day's work efficiently and smoothly. Other advantages of on-premise laundry are pilferage is reduced, linen is readily available, especially in case of emergency requirements. Now, let's talk about disadvantages of in-house or on-premises laundry. Some of them are cost of laundry equipments and its maintenance is high, related expenses like printing of forms, water consumption, energy cost, and insurance for equipments are higher. Most staff who are technically trained and qualified are required and therefore higher salary to be paid. More space is required, preferably at the basement. When the amount of linen is less, it's uneconomical. In this slide, we'll talk about advantages of commercial laundry. Some of the advantages to the hotel are no capital investment required, as the hotel do not have to purchase laundry equipments which are costly and thus saves a huge amount of capital. Little technical expertise required. Labor costs are saved. Cost of energy consumption such as water consumption, energy consumption, etc. are saved. Let's talk about disadvantages of commercial laundry. Some of them are less control over the quality standard, delay in delivery and collection, higher part stock required as it takes a long time for the whole laundry process to complete. There may be higher pilferage or misuse of linen. Dear students, now let's sum up what we learned today. Today we learned about laundry, functions of laundry, types of laundry that are on-premises laundry and off-premises laundry, advantages and disadvantages of on-premises laundry. Similarly, we learned about disadvantages and advantages of off-premises or contracted laundry. Students, in the next class, we'll learn about different types of laundry equipments. I hope you all enjoyed our session today. If you have any confusions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.